The numbers in this Washington Post story were just eye-popping, or they felt that way. The Washington Post says that that $40 million of legal costs for Trump was spent by his PACs and by his, essentially, entities paying for his campaign just this year alone. What was your reaction when you saw that?
Well, it is eye-popping, but it also shows, I think, by one powerful metric, how much Donald Trump's running for presidency is part of his strategy to keep out of jail. This is all about the hope that he becomes the next office holder and he can make all these legal problems go away as the next president. And he's willing to spend, whatever campaign contributions come his way to represent anyone that is deemed loyal to him. And the problem with this is we saw in the January 6th investigation how Trump appointed defense counsel for witnesses. In one case in particular, we're suggesting to a witness, hey, you should say you don't remember these things, even if you do remember them. It allows the Trump defense team basically to get their stories.
Control them almost.
Control them, to get their stories all aligned, to coach witnesses to say they forgot things that they do remember. So it's problematic from a point of justice point of view, but I think this is what they're trying to accomplish.
Now, this week, one of the pieces of new details we learned was this, of course, details in this superseding indictment. And you, of course, played a significant, important role in the first impeachment trial for Trump. As you look to the details here and as we're learning more, do you feel this case of obstruction is even more clear than the Mueller case, or how do you compare them?
They're both strong in different ways. In the Mueller investigation, it was Trump trying to fire people like Comey or even threatening to fire Mueller to obstruct the investigation. It was coaching witnesses to create false statements. Here you have the willful retention of defense information, national security information in violation of law. Then you have obstruction of the investigation where Trump is essentially directing that boxes be hidden. And then you have an effort to hide the obstruction by coaching people to destroy the security footage, the video footage. So it's essentially a cover-up on top of a cover-up. That seems, very concrete, very specific, in a way that even goes beyond the obstruction in Volume 2 of the Mueller report. So here, I think the case is much simpler, much easier for a jury to comprehend. Hiding boxes, deleting security footage, or at least trying to. You don't need, a complex explanation for it. It's such powerful evidence of the president's consciousness of his guilt.